Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. Today we are going to learn how to optimize the MongoDB queries using the indexing. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So I have already made a code in this file. Let's try to run node optimize queries.js, and here you can see that the performance is recorded over here. Okay, so connected to the MongoDB, 50 records inserted, time taken that is 5 milliseconds to insert the records. Okay, user without index, it is fetched. Okay, so time taken without indexing that is 5 milliseconds. Okay, index created on the email field, time taken with indexing that is 1 milliseconds, and you can see indexing improved using the query performance. So when you are trying to fetch the record without indexing, it takes the 5 milliseconds, and when I do the indexing, it will take 1 millisecond. So there is a high gap on that. So that means when you try to improve your queries, so indexing would be the better option. So let's see how we are going to implement and what exactly the indexing is. Okay, so indexes are the data structure that supports the efficient execution of queries in the MongoDB. They contain copies of parts of the data in the documents to make queries more efficient. Without indexes, MongoDB must scan every document in a collection. So without index, what the Mongo do? MongoDB must scan every document in a collection to find the documents that match each query. Okay, but when you do the indexes, they will execute the queries in the MongoDB. Okay, that contains the copies of the parts of the data in documents to make the queries more efficient, right? So let's see how I have implemented this. So here you can see that I do the connection. Okay, and here schema I have built. Now the Mongo, here I have run the query, insert the 50 records. Okay, then inserting the records, document inserted, right? So here fetch the data by the email without indexing. So here I'm just finding the data. Okay, and time, how much time it will take. So here I have just printed the time. Okay, how much time it will take. And again here I just create the index. So how to create the index? So here user dot create indexes. Okay, so index created on the email field, right? So here you can see that we have created the index, right? And now fetch the data by email after indexing. So here you can see that we have find the data on the behalf of the email, and here we are logging the time, how much time it will take. Then compare the times. Okay, index improved query performance, right? So indexing did not improve the query performance, or query performance is less than the same time. So these are here at the last, you can see that the query improved by query performance is how much, that is indexing improved query performance. That means the time with index is less than the time without index, right? So it will come over here. Okay, then after that we are going to close the connection, right? So this is how, whenever you want to optimize your queries, so indexing part will be the much more efficient way to fetch the data more efficiently, right? So this is how you can optimize your MongoDB queries. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.